Fuck, I have a leech caught.
Hey, Ashe, ikigu leech ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡತ್ತೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ?
I just realized ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. I don't know from where the hell it came. Careful, not with your hand. Use that paper plate.
Hello guys, long time. And now we are in Bangalore. If you want to know how we came to Bangalore, you should check our Instagram reel. We'll keep the link somewhere down below, okay? Let's go, it's getting late. You all know that we are going to Coorg. Coorg is around 267 kilometers from Bangalore. We are going by road. We are having two cars. One is Polo and one is Innova. We can go by train and bus, but we choose to go by car because of pandemic.
You can also take a flight if you want.
We'll introduce our epic gang in a while. He is Kaustubh, my cousin, and he is Hari. And he is Ruchit, my cousin. She is my Barbie. All know him, Ashish.
Ashish, say hi.
Hello, hi.
Yeah, this is
This is our epic gang, guys.
And your main person is missing. Pushkar. The main person comes here.
That was an epic entry.
Yeah, he is my cousin, elder cousin.
This completes our epic gang, guys.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's begin the trip, you guys.
We are on our way. I'm walking. And see who's sleeping. How was the ride so far, Pushkar?
The ride is very good. Traffic is less compared to other weekday traffic. It's a weekend, but still we have a smooth ride.
Blue skies, photography, models. How was the trip so far?
It was good. We are so far so good. We are just trying to explore on the lockdown restrictions.
We have been traveling non-stop, so this is our first break. Probably we'll take another break for lunch, and then we'll be in Coorg. We're so excited. We are at the outskirts of Mysore, right?
Yes.
And we just had our lunch. Akash had rice and I had rotis, and the rest of us had biryani, rice, and we are full. And there are going to be no stops from here.
In few days, you'll be no more a bachelor.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that shines
Home for next 24 hours probably, and there is Akash. People are ordering food for the dinner. Let's ask Akash, how cold is it, Akash?
Man, I'm freezing.
But how do you like the place?
It's amazing.
Will
you
you take
guys
us-
have to visit this place.
Will you take us inside the room?
Definitely.
Let's go.
So we booked 2 villas, okay?
Yep, I've already showed them.
You showed them, right?
Yeah.
And this is our room. It's completely basic one. But yeah, this is kind of good. We have, this is the room. Bed and washroom. We got even TV. I don't think we require TV.
No, I don't even think we require mobile phones.
Even fan. It's so cold, man.
Just relaxing.
What's up, guys?
Chilling.
Just chill.
And here is our mall. Full mall.
It's 10:30 in the night. We have just taken a small break. It's basically gotten up from that place and we're gonna go have our dinner. And I am totally living this moment because you can see it's foggy. I don't know if the camera can actually capture the fog right there, but for us it's so amazing. We are living the moment.
Freezing.
We are freezing, but it's once in a lifetime kind of a moment. It's cool and we are having chicken and garam rice. Let's dig in.
So, what are you having, Pushkar?
It's yummy. So there is a chicken curry. We have dal fry and we have steamed rice. It's very good. It's yummy
And-
to this cold.
Chicken curry is yummy.
And I'm having dal because I'm vegetarian.
Good
morning.
morning. It's day 2 in Coorg, and as you can see,
Water.
yeah, there is a lot of water. Can you just turn the camera and show them? This is how our path looks like right now.
Let's not go there.
There are barriers here, so probably will not be going on that side.
This is all coffee.
But yeah, this is what it is. It is amazing. One of the best mornings
We
lately.
partied last night.
And we actually plan to wake up at 6 o'clock to actually experience the fog, which we already did last night. But yeah, couldn't
the
wake
time
up.
is what? 9:15.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
The coffee is amazing. I think we'll take some coffee home from here because it's so refreshing, and this is what we needed on a cold morning like this.
Yeah.
It's actually not cold anymore. Don't you feel hot?
Because we've been walking, we've been
Yeah.
doing activities. No?
Fuck, I have a leech caught.
Hey, Ashe, ikigo leech ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
I just realized ಇಪ್ಪಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಲೇಕೊಂಡೆ. I don't know from where the hell it came. Careful, not with your hand. Use that paper plate.
This is the leech.
Gone, na?
Leech.
As you can see, we are all packed up and we're about to leave. We have stopped by this shop. We were on our way and we found this shop for chocolates and coffee. Akash has shopped some, I have shopped some. We've got chocolates,
Let's go in.
coffee, tea, cardamom. This is the shop.
We have chocolate, spices, and like homemade chocolate, and like mainly we are like coffee powders. Our own estate coffees and like all masala items.
Okay.
And we provide like courier facility also, like all over India.
So how is the courier? How does it work?
Like we don't have like minimum order also. You can order for 2 or 3 items. We'll courier like all over India.
Alright. We are finally home. It's pouring outside and probably you can hear the sound of the rain. And there's so much fun still left. We're leaving for Hyderabad tomorrow. But yeah, this is the end of our Coorg vlog. I know we have delayed a lot and this video has come after months. But I hope you really enjoyed it and the wait was worth. And let's see what Akash has to say. For me, to conclude this 2 days in Bangalore, Coorg, I would just
And
like
yeah,
to
yeah,
say
one more
it's
thing.
good.
If you wanna know how we came to Bangalore,
You should definitely check out
Yes.
the latest reel on Instagram.
and we'll be dropping the
Instagram.
link down below.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, chalo, see you guys. We love you. Donuts forever.